Our systems during a typical market day process billions of messages. When I say message, what I'm talking about is any information in a technical message that comes in or out of our system. It could be
a bid to buy,
a quote by a market maker in an option,
an offer to sell,
cancellation of an order.
It could be that you're revising an order.
It could be an execution.
All of the actions that one takes around just the order life cycle are all of the messages that we need to process and then share back and echo back to the investor community, so they have the confidence and the transparency they need to know that our markets are working well.
At peak times, we're processing millions of messages per second.
And that's been the case over the course of 2025, where we've seen record message traffic and record volumes. To give you a sense, in options, our average daily message traffic over the first week in April was 165 billion messages. In 2022, that same number was 55 billion. And in our equities markets, over the first few weeks in April, we've seen an average of 7 billion messages a day. In 2022, that was only 3 billion.
That 1 week in April, we traded over $1.2 trillion. That's trillion with a T. That's larger than many of individual countries' economies across the globe. So it's a really significant amount of dollars that are changing hands throughout that week. So in a very short period of time, a couple years, we've almost quadrupled our peak activity, and everything operated normally, which is a really nice testament to the constant investment we make in our systems to ensure that we do have that transparency, we do have that integrity, we do have that resiliency that everybody has come to depend on. It almost fades into the background, and it allows the investors and the participants in the market to get whatever they need immediately.
So that all takes careful planning and ensuring that you're thinking one step ahead of the market and you're not reacting to market conditions, you're preparing for eventual market conditions. And that's what we do so well. We've hardened our systems, invested in our technology. We work with the industry and regulators to understand the capacity and the performance of our technology so our customers are not surprised and they have confidence that Nasdaq can handle any increase in message traffic, because we know what we're preparing for today is an eventuality tomorrow.